So for me, I bias cash flow and I avoid assets that only have one way to extract value. I avoid putting my principal into those assets first. So those are typically third sequences down the line. So my principal is going to go towards assets that are going to produce cash flow. And then the cash flow that that asset is producing will either go back towards acquiring more assets that produce cash flow until I reach my cash flow goal. And then once I lock in that cash flow goal, the excess cash flow goes towards securing and protecting those returns. So that's when I may take some of that cash flow and roll it into gold. I may take some of that cash flow and roll into like Bitcoin. I may take some of that cash flow and roll into whatever next asset class you decided fits into your goal. So during the bull market, I am taking profits quickly. I'm taking profits and rolling it into stable assets.